I have a new piece of equipment I can't wait to test out. It'll be my first time trying it out. Pretty excited about that. The weather's not looking too friendly and there's scattered thunder showers on the forecast, so I'm gonna try to get to my campsite as soon as possible, get off the lake and get set up. Home sweet home. Shouldn't rain like this forever. And if it does, so be it. It's kind of pretty. Smells good. Oops. Croissants, condensed milk, eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract. I'm making French toast. 2 eggs, condensed milk, some vanilla extract, some tin foil, make it into a little tray. Hope this works. Croissants. Wow, that looks so good. Oops, I forgot to sprinkle these with cinnamon. And a fat glob of butter. Here we go. And I didn't forget maple syrup. I know I didn't mention it before, but it's right here. That is so good. This is a pretty good camping food. I'm curious to know how long eggs last in the woods. When I was living in China, you'd go to an outdoor market and they would just have eggs on display without being in a refrigerator. I think they can be out of a fridge for a few days. The condensed milk is canned. Bread lasts, what, a week? I don't think this is unreasonable. Yeah, that was good. When the French came up with French toast, did they know about maple syrup from Canada? Was it French Canadian toast? I'm confused. So this is my new tent and I'm so stoked to be sleeping in it for the first time ever tonight. It's basically a dream tent of mine and I plan to do a big review on it in the future, but until then, I'm just gonna have to test it out. If anybody knows the name or brand of this tent, let me know down in the comments what you think it is. First person to get it right gets 5 imaginary Xander dollars. I don't think I set this thing up perfectly properly, but it's a start. It is a different type of tent design than tents that I'm usually used to. There's a lot of space in here, which I like. The fact that these things are kind of transparent is a little bit, it's different. Like when you turn this off, you can see outside. Good morning. Woo. I realized I had this set up wrong. For breakfast, bannock, bacon, and eggs. Last time I made way too much bannock, so I'm gonna try to not make as much. Some bacon, fresh from the butchers. Oh yeah, it's some good stuff. Woo. It looks burnt, but it's not. All right, here we go. The breakfast sandwich is just as big as the last time I made this thing. And a little bit of maple syrup just for flavor. Yeah. Mmm. It's so good. Life's good. So just a few kilometers away from the car, which means this trip is coming to an end. Quick little one-nighter out here in the woods. Hope you guys enjoyed that one as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.